Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to put a Thundermax on a 2007 Softail. Stay tuned and we'll get into this thing here in just a second. Okay, we're back, and just like with all the rest of them, what we need to do is to go ahead and connect our cable to the bike. Then we're going to turn the ignition on, go ahead and link up. I have done some preliminary settings on this already, but I'll go over everything so that if you at home are going to be installing a Thundermax, you'll have a reference here of the simple steps you need to go through to get everything ready to go. Okay, so first thing we're going to be doing, since this is a new install, is we're going to go to configure. We're going to enter the vehicle VIN number. There's the vehicle VIN number. It tells us that it's a 96-inch motor, 2007 Softail Custom. All right. Then the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to register the module right here. And we have all the information already in the unit ready to go. And we're going to choose not to receive any Thundermax newsletter. You may want to. We already do, so I don't have to do it on every one of them. I'm going to close that. And then we're going to send that information over to Thundermax. All right, then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to EFI maps and throttle by cable right here. And we're going to choose map 861 because it's the one that's most like this bike. 0607 engine. It has the Vance & Hines big radius. It has a stock cam, a high flow breather. So we're going to choose that map. And as you can see, it's already in here, map 861. So once it's loaded, what we do is we turn the main switch off, and then we turn the main switch back on. We do this 3 times. You wait for the green light to come on. This one has an alarm on it. You wait for the green light to link up. Do that 3 times, and then we will fire the bike up and let it go through its initial idle tune. Okay, there's 1. So now we're going to turn it off. Wait for the red light. All right, now we're going to turn it back on. This will make number 2. There's our green link light. So we're going to shut it off again. Wait for the red. This usually takes about a minute or so, so be patient with it. Then we're going to turn it back on. This will be our 3rd time. As soon as the link light comes on this one, on this cycle, we're going to go ahead and go through some basic settings to verify that our speedo code is right. Okay, there's our green link light. So we're going to go over here to basic settings. We want to verify that the speedo code is correct, speedo calibration. So we're looking for Softail 07 to 09. The number is 42450, and that's what's in the system. So we're going to hit OK. And we're going to write the modules and settings, and close that off. Now we're going to go ahead and press the monitor button, and we're going to fire the bike up, and we're going to watch it idle. I'll let it run through the whole cycle. Probably won't let the video run that long. I'll probably cut it short once it reaches 180 degrees, but I'll let it set so you can see what happens during the initial run up. So I'm going to go ahead and start it now. We're waiting for the bike to settle down. It takes a little bit of time. We want to make sure our AFR front and AFR rear steer here. We want to make sure the little bar dances around in the middle. If it doesn't sit exactly in the middle, it's not a big deal. We just don't want to see one of the bars pegged all the way to one side or the other. Again, this is an initial run up. So after a couple of rides, everything will be into play anyway. If it had a problem right now, we would see it. See, it's trying to pull it into play. right there. So we're going to be okay. We're going to let this run up to 180 degrees. There we go. It's pulling it into spec. So we don't have any kind of an intake leak or fuel pressure problem. Okay, we have run the Thundermax idle tune up to about 200 degrees. And you can see that the AFRs are sitting right where they should be. The charging system's working. And so what we're going to do at this point is we're going to do what's called an auto map. We're going to give the bike a new starting point so that when it's out on the road in service, that it'll have a new starting point to tune from. Each bike is different. So the tunes or the maps that are in the library are very, very good starting points. But again, each bike is different. Each bike has a different exhaust. Each bike has different breather on it. Each bike is at a different altitude. It's different humidity that day. There's all kind of things that contribute to the tune. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to map editing, and we're going to press auto map, and we're going to click OK. So what it does is it reads all the information that it's learned, manipulates it, creates a new starting point for this particular bike, this particular map, and it puts it back into the Thundermax. Then it's ready for service, ready to go out and ride. Okay, we are done. And so what we will do now is go out and test ride it, make sure that the timing's correct. Most of the time it is. And then we will hand the bike over to the customer and let them go enjoy it. I hope that today's video will help someone at home installing the Thundermax on your own. It's very simple, very easy, very satisfying to make your bike run as good as it can. If anyone's interested in buying a Thundermax pre-mapped, you can call us here at Samson V-Twin. The number is 334-997-4906, or you could reach us through our website, which is www.samsonvtwin.com. Be glad to help you anytime. My name is Steve Carr, and I'll see you on the next video.